What if you could triple your business's revenue without spending an extra dollar? Now, today I'm going to show you how to grow your online business without having to spend any additional money. And we're going to talk about the 5 best ways to do this. And these are proven tactics that I've used to grow my own businesses and to really scale them without having to invest any additional capital or money into them. So let's go ahead and dig into the 5 ways to grow your business without spending any additional money. So starting off at number 1 is speeding up your website. You're losing dozens and dozens of customers every day because your website is not fast enough, and I guarantee this. So if you look at your Google Analytics and you're checking your bounce rate, there's going to be a large percentage of people who load your business's webpage, and for whatever reason, because it's loading slow or the way it's structured, it's going to bounce these people off. So these are potential customers because they didn't want to wait around to load your website. They ended up just leaving. So it's essentially like having a line to get inside your store. If there's a big line, some people are just going to go away and go to the next store down the street. The same way for the website. So speeding up your website, there's a lot of free tools on WordPress. You can talk to your hosting company to see what's going on there. But the main thing is having a good foundation. So making sure the theme that your business or your website is built on is structured to be extremely fast. So this is super important for SEO, for ranking higher on Google, and for, again, when people are visiting your website, making sure that they're going to load it and stay on your web page and view it more. So speeding up your website is one of the best ways to improve your business, get more money without having to spend any additional investments into it. And it can be as easy as inserting a faster theme to WordPress and starting there. So talking about number 2 is the CRO, and this is going to be conversion rate optimization. So a lot of people are focused on getting more customers into their store or more people to their website. But a lot of people aren't focused on, okay, when I have those people on my website, how do I convert a higher percentage? So maybe you're converting at 1% or 2%, but if you're able to double that with CRO to 4 or 5%, you're going to have a huge amount of net gain into your business. And some of the easy ways to do this is going to be with an exit intent pop-up. I know this sounds crazy, but I've seen this work so many times. For one of my businesses, I didn't have any exit intent, and I was just losing customers, leaving money on the table by not having this. I inserted a pop-up with a free plugin called Popped-In. I offer a one-time coupon. So this pop-up is only happening when they're about to leave and exit out of the page. So they were going to leave anyways. So I figured, why not try to get them, entice them to stay with a coupon. And this coupon has made me thousands and thousands of dollars in extra profit every month. And it's a free plugin. It's so cool. So what other CRO things you can do? You can go ahead and just make more opt-ins on your page. So if you have a sales page, so putting more opt-ins is normally going to increase the conversions. There's going to be a few other things like having a live chat bot or having live chat on your website will also help with conversions. Another thing is just making sure you're focusing on that top 10% of the page. That's going to be the H1 title, the subtitle, making sure you're tweaking that and testing a few different varieties and versions of that. That's going to be the biggest way you can impact your CRO and convert more people into customers. So moving on to the third way is going to be just increasing your prices. And I know this can be extremely hard. Whether you're a business coach or you're selling some type of physical product or even a digital product, try testing your prices. I've had extremely good luck with even just doubling or tripling my prices and still having the same percentage of conversions. So that means I'm bringing in 3 times more just by going into my back end, changing a few things around, and within 10 to 15 seconds, I'm able to increase my prices and offer the same sort of services for a much higher price point. And the thing is, once you're charging these higher prices, you're going to be attracting better customers in a sense. So I know a lot of coaches who were charging $500 for their coaching program, and now they're charging $5,000, and they're getting a lot better high quality people because they're investing $5,000. They're actually going through with the advice they're given. They're actually implementing this stuff, and they're seeing much better results than they were with the people only investing $500. So they can focus now on spending a lot more of that time on building their program and attention on this client. At that $500 price point as a coach, they would need to have 10 clients to make up for one client at $5,000. So the math can really make sense. And there's a lot of interesting things that go into pricing psychology. Consumers are going to put a lot more expectations on the $5,000 course or program or product than they are on the $500 one. But it depends on what type of result and what type of transformation you're willing to offer these people. I guarantee you can offer something for a higher price than what you're offering right now. So moving on to number 4 is upselling your customers. When somebody's already taken out their credit card, adding a one-time bump to get that price point up a little bit higher. So maybe you're going to offer another product at a one-time discounted price to increase their cart value, or maybe you're offering some other exclusive product that you bundle together to get this customer to buy a little bit more. Once they've already taken out their credit card, they're so much more likely to buy other things. And even if you're not doing it at the point of sale, reaching out to your previous customers and trying to offer them some other service or some other type of product, these customers are going to convert at a much higher rate than if you're trying to acquire a new customer. So upselling customers or reselling to customers. So it's going to be one of the fastest ways to make more money without having to acquire new customers. You've already got the customer database. Make sure you're nurturing these people into buying more products or more services from you. So moving in at number 5 is adding some other type of monetization method. So let's say, for example, you have a really popular website and all you're doing is running Google ads there. So another option would be to add affiliates to your website. So going through your whole website, looking at those top 10 or 20 pages that are ranking high on Google, and let's go ahead and try to optimize these pages for adding other affiliate marketplaces, other products that you can sell. So adding a new monetization method to your website or business can be a great way to improve revenue. You've already done the hard work by getting people to your website. Now let's figure out other ways to test and get more money from those people that are visiting your business. So some other examples of this can be, maybe you have Google ads on your website and it's going well, but there's a lot of other advertisers who will pay you a lot more money. So you can just change from Google ads to another platform and increase the money. And then if you go ahead and add an affiliate network like Amazon or something, you're going to really increase your amount of money that you're getting from the same number of people visiting your website or online business. And this can be done for just about any type of business, is adding some type of mixed monetization to really get you more customers while they're on your website. Because if you're just offering one thing, it might not appeal to everyone. So adding some type of additional way to make money through your website is going to make you a much better business. It's going to diversify your income. And in all, it's going to make you more money without having to spend or invest any more money into growing your business. So these are the 5 fastest ways that I've seen to grow businesses without having to invest any additional capital. And if you implement this correctly, I've seen some exponential growth on my own businesses and other people who've used these same tactics to grow their business. So if you made it this far, make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. What type of business do you have? Do you have any other growth tactics that have worked well with you? Let's go ahead and share those with the community. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.